Hey fam, welcome back. So in this video we are going to be unboxing, or should I say unbagging, my Try Beauty box for February 2020. Try Beauty box is a Canadian subscription box that is filled with indie makeup products, typically I believe female-owned indie brands. So Tribe will send an assortment of products every other month for a $39.99 price. And if you're interested in seeing what was offered this month, go ahead and stay tuned. We're going to get into it right now. So let's go ahead and unbox my little Tribe Beauty bag. So they did new packaging this month. Tribe did write me, well, they wrote everybody, they wrote all their subscribers, I'm sure, and kind of explained the reasoning behind this bagging system. So their feeling was if they reduced the cost of shipping with the box and its weight, they could add more products, which they did this month. They really gave us a bunch. We're gonna go ahead and cut it open. Let's see what we have inside. This just came today. So I wanted to get this up for you guys ASAP. And we'll see what's inside. So we see something very hollow happening in here. I don't know what that's about. Let's bring our handy dandy scissors back into play. Just kind of cut this bubble wrap. So let's pull this hollow thing out first. I'm curious. This is really quite beautiful. So it has Try Beauty on it. I really love this hollow makeup bag. It's like, or maybe like a brush holder. Be like a good size for brushes if you're going to travel, or if you had a smaller amount of beauty products you wanted to bring with you. This is a beautiful bag. Really like it. So let's see what's inside. So there are two products in here. Don't you think that's pretty? It's a pretty good size. Oh, and there's like a little, how cute. There's like a little wristlet thing. So you could like bring your makeup to the club. It's like, no, I'm kidding. See me out there with a wristlet at the club with all my makeup in it. That's totally a joy thing. So in here we have from a company called Iconic Beauty, and the O in Iconic is like a little heart. I've never heard of this brand before, but this is the Blur Stick. It says filled with vitamin E, use Blur Stick to minimize the appearance of pores, to look matte and smooth all day. So this reminds me of the Milk Blur Stick, which I never really tried. So this is like a little indie version. It looks like the theme this month is like hollow. It's kind of cool. And then we also got a Wander palette this month. I've never tried Wander eyeshadows. I don't think I even have that much from Wander. I think I might only have a face mask. All right. So we see that the palette has the exact same pattern with this really pretty spring flowers. And even the idea of fling, spring fling. I can't wait for springtime. Ooh. So we have a little mirror. There's you guys. Look how beautiful you all are. Just gorgeous. And these gorgeous shimmer shades. These look really, really pretty. It looks like we've got 5 shimmery satins, and this might be a matte Eden. Let's go ahead and give these a little swatchy poo. So starting at the top, we have Bouquet, Blossom, and Marigold. They definitely look really shimmery, very pretty. Oh, that one's a little chunky. So those are the first 3 shades. The next we'll swatch Eden, which definitely feels like a creamy matte. That feels really good. Orchid and Cedar. So we have these 3 colors. So that's like a skin tone on me. It's pretty purple. Well, they swatch really beautifully. So it's kind of weird that the only matte is this like kind of like tan colored one that's on me the same color as my skin, but the shimmers are really pretty. Not off to a bad start with our first 3 products. As I drop stuff. Now this is what I'm talking about. We get 2 Luxy brushes in this little tribe. The first looks to be a small kind of blending brush. That feels really good. I don't think I have this brush yet. And then our other little buddy is a pencil brush. He's kind of slanted Dual fiber. Yeah, I'm definitely happy with these. I love Luxy brushes. So next we have SERLOOM by Babe Lash. This is Nectar Lash Serum. What does this do? Directions: apply 1 to 2 times per day. Apply this SERLOOM Nectar Lash Serum across the lash line. Only 1 dip is needed for both eyes. Use daily to see beautiful lashes over time. So this is really cool. So I actually just recently, this past Saturday, got lash extensions. I haven't had them for over a year. So I was just missing them and I wanted to put them on. So I'll probably hold off on this until after I take those extensions off eventually, which I can't even think about right now. They're very expensive and take forever to get put on, and I really, really love them. But yeah, I won't be taking them off for a while. But once I do, let's help my lashes, little serum, please, because they are sad and pathetic and very small. Then there's this product, which looks a little strange. It's in its own bubble wrap. What is this? I like that they were really careful with packaging everything. So we have the Earth Harbor Luna Lee Phyto-Resurfacing Night Serum. It's got seaweed, collagen, and superfruit acids. Very cool. So like a little night serum. Heck yeah, girl. Then we have, so this is from the Balm, and that's pretty cool. I don't have a lot of Balm products. This is a lip gloss in the shade Zap. Let's see what Zap looks like. Oh, okay. It is a like hot pink, but it is kind of like a little springtime type shade. And it's a gloss. It's like a pretty watermelon shade. It's got like a little bit of like a shimmer to it, it would appear. Very pretty, very perfect for spring. I like that. I enjoyed seeing the products I received this month. Definitely looking forward to giving them a try as we get a little closer to spring. It's kind of putting spring in the air for me, if you will. So I love you guys so much. Thanks so much for being here. Until the next video, I love y'all so much. Bye.